let me just ask you something. Do you have a clothes steamer? If you don't have one, what are you waiting on? There are so many benefits of a clothes steamer. Listen, they're gentle on delicate fabrics. Steam relaxes fibers without direct contact, making it perfect for faux leather, here we go, silk, satin, chiffon, lace, and synthetics. That's why you need this. I will have the ones I recommend in the description box for you. Listen, yes, these are going to be on Amazon that I'm recommending. And of course, yes, I do earn a small commission. So these are affiliate links that I'm sharing. But check them out, please. You're going to love your clothes steamer. They remove wrinkles fast. Yes, they heat up quickly and smooth clothing in minutes. No wrestling with an ironing board. Get on this program now. And they're safer than ironing. No risk of scorch marks, shine, or melting fabric when used correctly. Okay? Now, they also help in refreshing and deodorizing your clothes. The steam helps release odors like smoke, food storage smells, and freshens garments between washes. And did you know that a steamer kills germs and bacteria? High temperature steam can reduce bacteria and dust mites. Great for worn once outfits. Exactly. Okay. Now they're perfect for structured pieces as well. And they're ideal for pleats, ruffles, again, faux leather, sequins, embroidery, and garments with coatings. Yes. And check this out. They're great for those quick touch-ups, for those last minute outfits, travel, or hey, before content creation filming. That be me. Yes, indeed. Now, the great part, I said no more ironing boards, okay? These work while clothes are hanging, so no folding or flattening. Gravity helps smooth wrinkles naturally. And not only that, a clothes steamer saves space. Compact steamers are small, lightweight, and easy to store. And then finally, let me tell you this, multi-purpose uses. Yes, this steamer can be used on clothes, your curtains, bedding, throw pillows, even upholstery. Now let's get into how we're going to steam this faux leather right here. First of all, you'll need a handheld garment steamer or a steam iron. Again, preferably a garment steamer or clothes steamer, as you can call it. Just do this. Turn them inside out. If it's lined, still turn it inside out. You want to steam on the fabric side, not the shiny faux leather side. Okay? Now, hang it up. Use a sturdy hanger so it hangs naturally. Then you want to hold that steamer about 6 to 8 inches away. Sometimes I don't always play by the rules, and I do get a little bit closer in there because, you know, I kind of got this thing a little bit down to a science. You're going to slowly move that steamer over the wrinkles, okay, all over the wrinkled areas. Don't press the steamer head directly on the surface. But understand this, most of the steamers are going to come with a safety cover that's going to help protect the fabric against the actual metal piece of the steamer. Now, just smooth gently with your hand as well. As the fabric warms, lightly tug or smooth it flat. The wrinkles will relax as it cools. Okay, now that's my number one option of doing it. You can use a steam iron, some people do, but just make sure you do the same thing. Turn it inside out, lay a towel or a cotton cloth on top of the area you want to press. Never let the iron touch the faux leather directly, and set the iron to a low heat, or if it has like a setting of synthetic or delicate on there, and gently press. 5 to 10 seconds at a time. Check frequently to make sure everything is okay and repeat until done. Okay? And this is how I do it. Now, just a few tips and warnings. Never use high heat. Faux leather can melt or warp. Also, avoid dryers or direct sunlight. And if it's vegan leather with a coating, test a small hidden area first. And store it hanging, not folded, to prevent new creases. And there you go. This one's on me. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.